Look at these sights. Completely abandoned. Somebody's thrown red paint inside of here. It's crazy. They've done this. It's a very ugly thing to do. Naughty thing to do, whoever did it. These are national and world historical sites here in the United States. But human beings, this is not fenced off here, look. Or even if it was fenced off, somebody must have taken the fence home, maybe. Anyway, it's a shame that people just keep building and they're destroying. Destroying is pretty simple, I guess. Creating is what is difficult. But with human beings the way they are, they only know how to break, not to make, including themselves. Hence why they kind of behave in this way, because they're breaking inside of them, unable to maintain a dignified or more, how should I say, more content way of life. So turmoil is boiling within, has to, like a geyser, explode momentarily, just keeps going until you completely explodes. Crazy.